Service in Denver has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Adams County in northeastern Colorado, central Arapahoe and eastern Arapahoe County in northeastern Colorado until 7 p.m. At 6:08 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Byers, or 39 miles east of Denver, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Deer Trail, Byers and Strasburg. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. This storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail.